Before buying a gaming controller for your PC, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, 8-Bit Do Ultimate 2. The 8-Bit Do Ultimate 2 caught my eye immediately with its sleek design and impressive features, priced at $59.99. If you want precise control and customization options, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features TMR joysticks for higher sensitivity and precision, which means you can enjoy smoother gameplay without missing those crucial moments. The 8-Bit Do exclusive wireless technology delivers a stable 2.4G connection with ultra-low latency under 1 ms, so you won't have to deal with annoying lag. Plus, with a 1000 Hz polling rate, it ensures your commands are registered instantly. With an impressive 4.5-star rating from 4,800 reviews, it's clear many gamers trust this controller. Now, some people complained about the battery life not being the best. Here's the thing though, if you're gaming for hours on end, you might want a wired option or plan for some recharge breaks. But for casual gamers, it's definitely not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a competitive gamer looking for that edge in precision and control. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler, no-fuss controller for casual gaming. Considering its features, the price is pretty justified. Now, if the battery life issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Xbox Wireless Controller. The Xbox Wireless Gaming Controller caught my attention with its ergonomic design and affordability at $51.57. If you want a well-rounded controller that's easy to use, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's compatible with a variety of devices including Windows PCs and consoles, meaning you can easily switch between your gaming setups. The USB-C cable allows for a straightforward plug-and-play setup, so there's no hassle getting started. Plus, with up to 40 hours of battery life, you can game without constantly worrying about recharging. With over 1,000 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, it's a popular choice among gamers. Now, some users mention that it can feel a bit bulky for long gaming sessions. But here's the thing, if you're used to console controllers, you'll likely find it comfortable. It's really designed for extended play, but if you prefer something lighter, that might be a concern. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable controller that works across multiple platforms. Skip this one if you have small hands and need something more compact. For its price and versatility, it's a great deal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize customization. Product number 3, GameSir G7 SE. The GameSir G7 SE caught my eye with its striking design and price point of $40.35. If you want a controller that balances performance and affordability, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features Hall effect joysticks and triggers, which means longer durability and better accuracy, vital for competitive gaming. The plug-and-play convenience is a huge plus, allowing you to dive into your games without any setup hassle. With a strong 4.4-star rating from 13,900 reviews, it's clear this controller is well-liked in the gaming community. Now, some users pointed out that the cable could be a bit short for certain setups. But here's the thing, many gamers prefer wired connections for lower latency. And if you have a dedicated gaming area, this shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly controller with solid performance. Skip this one if you prefer wireless options or gaming on the go. Considering its features at this price, it's a fantastic value. Now, if you need something more for mobile play, the next controller has you covered. Product number 4, 8-Bit Do Ultimate 2C Green. The 8-Bit Do Ultimate 2C in green caught my attention with its unique style and price of $29.99. If you want a lightweight controller with great performance, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It boasts a 1000 Hz polling rate and Hall effect joysticks, giving you a responsive and accurate gameplay experience. With a 4.5-star rating from over 10,300 reviewers, it's clearly a favorite. Now, some people have mentioned that the smaller size might not be suitable for larger hands. But here's the thing, if you're looking for something portable or have average-sized hands, it's quite comfortable and easy to manage. This is perfect for you if you're a casual gamer on the go or need something affordable. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty controller for serious gaming. For its price and performance, it's a steal. Now, if you're looking for something in a different color scheme, the next one is just as impressive but with a twist. Product number 5, 8-Bit Do Ultimate 2C Purple. The 8-Bit Do Ultimate 2C in purple is another eye-catching option priced at $23.99. If you're after a stylish yet functional controller, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Just like its green counterpart, it features a 1000 Hz polling rate and Hall effect technology for enhanced gameplay. Plus, with a 4.5-star rating from over 10,300 reviews, it's hard to ignore its popularity. Now, some users have said that the battery performance could be improved. Here's the thing, most budget controllers can have this issue, but if you're not gaming for hours on end, it shouldn't impact you significantly. This is perfect for you if you want a fun, colorful controller without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need advanced features like pro paddles or extra buttons. For its price and design, it's a fantastic choice. Having gone through these options, it's clear there's a great range of controllers for every type of gamer, whether you want premium features, budget-friendly options, or something stylish. So to quickly recap, the 8-Bit Do Ultimate 2 offers precision and customization, the Xbox wireless controller is reliable and versatile, the GameSir G7 SE balances performance and affordability, and the 8-Bit Do Ultimate 2C options provide style and functionality. Each has its strengths depending on your needs. So whether you're a hardcore gamer or a casual player, there's a controller here that fits you perfectly.